and welcome. This is Lori. First time you've been here, thank you for being here. If you've already subscribed, thank you for being here also. This channel was created to bring you my love for color and art. My husband and I alternate videos to teach and experiment and to help you on your creative ventures. Both of us are usually in the same room while one of us is painting, and sometimes you'll see funny bloopers or one of us giggling in the background. If our videos put a smile on your face, that is the highest type of gratitude we could receive. Now let's paint. So this is an 18 by 24 or 46 by 61 centimeters white canvas. I've already sprayed the back. I use a very fine mist. I'm sorry about the paint on there, but this is when I use this as Dixie Belle's version. It's very nice. You can get this anywhere. We at a thrift store, a craft store. When I refinished my cabinets, I use this. So this is an 18 by 24. I have my base coat already on this. This is a gray with a lavender undertone. So today we're going to use silicone cupcake molds. I've got 4 of them, and what we're going to do is you turn them upside down and you place them here. Anywhere, actually. Anywhere where you feel like you'd like. There. There. And let's do right about here. So my colors today, I've got an Artist Loft Phthalo Blue. It's really pretty. Metallic Black. Metallic Turquoise. Now again, this is a half 1-to-1, half paint, half pouring medium. This is really pretty. I'm using, this is called a Guns Metal. It's a gray metallic. It's beautiful, isn't it? 1-to-1 on that, paint versus pouring medium. This is a little wild card here. I'm using Apricot. Pretty. And this is a Robin's Egg Blue. There's no metallics in this. This is just a matte color. Isn't that pretty? Okay. So what you want to do, you're gonna use your paint separately on top of your mold instead of like a layered cup where you put it all in a cup. So what I'm going to start doing is we're going to just layer each individual, and then we might stretch it in the end to see what it looks like. So let's have some fun. So next thing I'm going to do is just lift these up, set them to the side. Get all the bubbles out. We're going to stretch this a little, see how we can do this. Stretch it a little, see how we can create beautiful cells. That's interesting. With the negative space here, because that was my base. So I want to play. Let me get my palette knife. You can see the cells already created. Now, you can take your finger and go all the way up or use a straw. So I think I'm going to use a straw first. And then tilt it. And then I want to do something over here too. This is incredible. Look at that. See all the cells already? My goodness. That's gorgeous. Jeez, oh Pete's. I love this one. This is gorgeous. So I have this space here that I don't like. I'm just going to stretch this a little bit. I just want it to mesh with the rest of the painting. Isn't that pretty with the lacings? My goodness. And then, so these paper cups are so easy to create a little spout. So you can see this is my base coat and that's negative space, and it works really well with all the colors. The gray lavender off the everything else, the turquoise, the lacing. Let me fire it up one more time because I see some bubbles. Okay, there you have it. These silicone cupcake molds are pretty nice. I like using them. They create a lot of dimension within your painting. So until the next show, thank you for being here, and we'll see you next time. Bye!